pull his arms away.
Okay.
No, you really.
No, because you're jumping forward.
No, not.
Come on!
Let's go!
Fucking jump already.
Dude, I need to like turn around.
Shut! Put both hands on that!
Shut the fuck up! Put both hands on that button. Swing off.
Sliding down.
You have 30. I'll give you $5 if you can get down next 35 seconds. Ah,
Just
fuck.
swing off and don't wrap your leg around the rail.
Oh, my leg, shit. I was just kidding. I'm not gonna give you $5.
Hey, want me to show you the easier way?
No.
Let's do it.
Did you record me?
Yes, I'm recording right now.
Let me see.
Hold on, I'm recording right now. Hold on. Hurry up! You got 9 seconds, Danny.
What?
You got 9 seconds.
For what?
I don't know.